My name is Arman Hamzalu, and I'm the program coordinator of Computer Programming and Analysis program. Computer science and IT is currently in high demand in Canada. And this is what makes this program exciting, because it prepares you for that demand. A lot of the courses that we offer are about interacting with these systems, both for information technology and computer science. The hands-on opportunities the students have in this program are provided through labs, group projects, and co-op opportunities that are offered as part of the 3-year program. In terms of the industry connections, students get the opportunity to participate in the Capstone Expo events, where a lot of our sponsors and partner employers will attend to see what our students have achieved over the years. Usually our students start from junior developer positions, where they will start gaining experience and building up their resume, and over the years they become more senior developers and ascend to more managerial and coordination of projects roles. If you're on the fence about this program, I can tell you that you can't go wrong with this program. This program secures you with the skills you need in the industry. In addition, this program offers you the opportunity to co-op. And that's, I think, the beauty of this program. So you're both academically and professionally making a great choice for your future.